Hello students, this is Nirmal Jeet from Darshan Academy and I'm here to share something very important regarding the examination. So before that, first I would like to wish all of you a very best of luck for your upcoming exams. I hope you people have prepared yourself really well because everyone wants to score good marks and teachers, parents, everybody is happy when you people score good. So before beginning up the exams, I have few very important instructions for all of you which we want you people to follow very strictly because when we had the PT1 exams there was this problem teachers face that students use different type of sheets and there was no uniformity at all, but this time we want to make sure that all the Darshanites follow the same instructions and submit the sheets in a same way, the way we want it to see. So let's begin. First of all, coming to the sheets, you people have to take such kinds of single line sheets which are easily available at every stationery. So you can go to the stationery nearby you and purchase such kind of single line sheets. So these sheets basically do not have any sort of margin. You people have to draw your own margins. So I have taken here a margin which is of a small scale, but when it comes to your maths examination you have to make this left hand side margin little bigger so that you can do all your rough work and calculations here. Okay, and when it comes to the margins you have to see accordingly to your subject. Then coming to the details given on the top. Now, first of all, you have to make sure that the most of the sheet part is not used so that you have more space to write your answers and content. Okay. So the upper part where it is little plain above the red line, you can use there that part to write in your details. You have to write the name of your school, Darshan Academy, the SUA, like I have written here. Then you have to write the type of exam you have. For 1 to 5 we have the assessment 2 exams. Then we have term 1 exams for middle section. For ninth and 10th we have mid-term exams, and for 11 and 12 we have half yearly exams. So here I have written half yearly exams. Okay. Then there are 6 type of other details which you have to fill. For that I have divided this portion into half so that 6 lines are not used and half of the sheet is not filled, right? So you can draw a single line here with a pencil and scale, and you can write your name, class and roll number. This side on right hand side, because these 3 details are not going to change at all. Your name will also remain the same, your class and your roll number also. Then on the other side of the line, that is on left hand side, you have to mention date, on which date your exam is there, then the subject and then the page number. You have to write these all details. These are 8 in number, 2 on top and then 6 in the division line. So you have to write it in all the pages. See, I have written it like this. Right? So you have to make sure that whatever details are fixed, you write it beforehand, and whatever details are to be changed, that you can write on the time of the exam. Clear? Then when you people start up your question, then if the question paper is divided into sections, you have to write the section number in the center on top, like I have written here section A. So you have to write it like this. After one section is completed, you can start another section. See students, when the paper is divided into different sections like section A, B, C and D, you can pick up any section first. Like if you want to do section number D first, or if you want to do your section number B first, you can pick up that section. But make sure when you pick up one particular section, you complete that first properly and then move to another one. It shouldn't be that you are doing one question from one section and then another question from some other section. It will create a confusion in your mind also, whether you have completed your paper or not, and of course in the mind of a checker. They will also be confused that where are the questions written. So you have to write the paper section wise if it is divided into sections. Then another thing which you have to keep in mind is writing the proper sequence of questions. Like if it is a section A, you have to write question number 1, okay, and then question number 2, question 3. For example, if you people have got a choice that from question 5 are given and you have to do only 3, so which question numbers you are skipping, skip that on your question paper also, okay, your answer sheet, sorry. So when you will write, you have to do only 3 questions, you will write question 1 or maybe 3 and 5, so only 2 will be missing from there. But you don't have to create your own sequence. Please use the sequence which is given on the question paper itself. You do not create your own sequence. And when you write each answer, draw a line with a pencil and scale after each answer, then leave one line and start another answer. Do not create hodgepodge on your answer sheets. Make it very clear, neat and clean. Try to avoid the cutting on your answer sheets. Then at last you have to send the pics of the single page. Now when you are clicking the pictures, hold the camera in the vertical position. That means like this, not like this. Okay, so you have to hold your camera like this. Put your sheet somewhere where it does not move, especially off the fan if you can, when you are clicking the pictures. Put the sheet properly on some plain surface. Click the picture holding the camera vertically. And if there is lot of extra stuff coming over, you can crop the pictures if you know how to do it, and then send neat and clean pictures to your teachers. Now when you will open the sheet, you should not click the picture of all the double pages together, because this is one page and this is another page. So you have to click all individual pages like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then so on. Okay, so please click the pictures individually in a vertical mode. There is another thing, that do not click pictures on WhatsApp directly. Click the pictures on a camera, then send it to your particular subject teacher on WhatsApp. After you send the pictures, whatever paper you have completed for whatever subject, keep all the papers safely in one folder so that you can produce them whenever it is asked for. Okay, when you are using extra sheets, like if these 4 pages are over and you have to use another one, now then you have to either attach them with the stapler properly, or you can make a punch hole here and tie the sheets with the thread. I hope I'm very much clear with all the instructions, and looking forward for very impressive papers ahead. God bless you all. Best of luck once again. Thank you everyone.